Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set a sleep timer on Spotify. Alright guys, first of all, I'm going to open my Spotify application on my phone, and here we can select a song that we want to play. And for instance, I'm just going to play a song from this daily mix 4. Okay, and here I'm just going to pick random song. I'm gonna go with the song. We can click on it, then click on the song again until the screen will look like this. And here we can click on three dots button, and we can activate our sleep timer over here. We just need to click on sleep timer. Then you can select a duration for your sleep timer. You can select start from 5 minutes until the end of the track. And I'm gonna go with 1 hour. Okay, and right after I pick 1 hour, the song will be automatically stopped after 1 hour. Okay, and this feature will be helpful for you when you want to listen to music before you go to sleep, but you don't want the music being played all night long. And I suggest you to set your sleep timer before you go to sleep. Alright guys, and that's how we can set a sleep timer on Spotify. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.